Welcome back to the chapter. I was explaining the Himalayan mountain of our country. And one thing I have told you, Himalayas are the protection boundary of our country. They are saving us for different types of difficulties which are coming from outside the country. Next feature of the country, next physical feature of the country, that is northern plain. What is the meaning of northern plain? In the northern side of India, plain, you know where land is very plain. The area which lies in the northern part of the country, that is called northern plain. What is the reason of the formation of northern plain? It should be explained. The formation of northern plain of India is depend upon different type of features. The prime feature is depositional work. Depositional work, it refers to that process where due to different type of factor of the environment, the particles of mountain or the earth, they are deposited at different places due to different types of physical factors. Depositional work, it depends upon different type of physical factors. Physical factors means sometime deposition takes place due to weathering. Weathering means breaking down of the stone into small pieces. When they are leaving their place due to air, due to temperature, due to other parts, they are moving from that place and they are going to another place and they are deposited at another place. This type of feature is called weathering. Weathering plays an important role in depositional work. Whatever things are being deposited in the different parts of the northern plain, this is the reason behind the formation of northern plain. Small particles of stones from the mountains, they are coming due to the heavy wind. Wind brings them to the plain, and small particles, they are weathered, they are broken down into small pieces. In this way, northern plain has been formed. Next thing has been given here. After thinking about it, we have to see at the bottom of the mountains, because the stones are coming from the mountain at the height. So one thing is important. After coming from the height, the things, the stones which are coming at the bottom, how many forms they are taking place? How many forms they are taking place? Here are some words. They are difficult words for you, but I will make them easy. Bhavar, Tarai, Bhangar, newly formed Khadar. These birds will be creating problem for you, I think so, but they are very easy in learning. See here. Whenever due to weathering, the stone or their pieces, they are coming to bottom. They are depositing here in the form of large particles. If the large particles are depositing at the bottom of the mountain, this type of area, it will be called bhavar. Again I want to repeat, the large particles of the stones after weathering, if they are depositing here at the bottom of the mountain, this area will be called bhavar. Second, after this area is having some length till some distance, this area will be there. After that, you can see water is coming over the stone pieces. After that area, this area may be of 50 miles, more than 50 miles. After that, you will see that water is also coming over this land. This is muddy area. This is swampy area. Stones are there inside the water. Water is over the stone. This is called tarai, wetland, where water is present Inside that stones are there and water is flowing over the stones. This area will be called tarai. Clear? Next thing has been given here. With the help of alluvial particles. Alluvial is the part of soil. They are the particles of soil. So when alluvial soil is deposited here and it becomes old, strong, hard, this area is called bhangar. Bhangar. You will be confused in bhavar and bhangar. Always remember, bhavar, first part, is that part of area where large particles of stones are deposited. Water is inside the stones. In second part, water is over the stones. That is called tarai. Mud is also there. Soil is also there. And in next part, the particles of soil, that is alluvial soil, it becomes harder. And this area will be called bhangar. It means the area of old alluvial soil. The last part, when new particles of stone, they travel again, they go ahead, they are soft in nature, they can be broken in pieces easily. This soft area of stones or particle having water, it is called khadar, or it is also called newly formed alluvial soil. So one thing is very clear here, that you have seen in northern plains you have seen northern plains are formed due to the depositional work of the stones or particles. Weathering is there. Weathering is the process when large particles, they are broken down into small pieces and they come down at the bottom of the Himalayas or any mountain due to the flow of wind. This is called, and these particles of stones, they are deposited at one place. They are making a depositional work. So due to the depositional work, alluvium soil is formed, and it is also a reason for the making of northern plain of the country. And I have explained all the things, bhavar, tarai, bhangar and khadar or newly formed area. You have to learn these special words. They are giving you special meaning because they are very easy in nature, but they are looking hard. So don't worry, I am here. If any confusion is there, you can ask me. Prepare the paragraph which I have told you. Formation of the mountain of Himalayas, northern plain, and earlier part, that is reasons behind the change in physical features of any country. Thank you very much.